First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this video on the topic number system, so now we are going to learn one of the most important concept, that is n terms, where many students are still making a mistake on these areas, that is on the concept called n terms. So this n terms will comes under the topic that is arithmetic progression. So we have heard this concept, right, in schoolings. I think I have learned this APGP on 10th standard mathematics, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So here in this lesson number 11, so remember one thing, it's not lesson number 1, it's lesson number 11. So totally we have posted 11 lesson on the topic number system, because number system is the basics for complete quantitative aptitude. So always remember one thing, if you are going to learn the quantitative aptitude session, so before learning all the topics like time and work, average, ratio, proportion, everything, first learn number system starting from lesson number 1. Got it? So what I'm telling you, like APGP, right, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So remember one thing, here I am not going to teach you the arithmetic progression completely, right. I am just going to teach you only one important concept on the topic arithmetic progression, that is called sum of n terms. Got it? So here you can able to see these two questions, right, these two model questions. We have able to see this question on many of the competitive exams like bank exams, SBA clerk exams, like, or else a campus interview. Mostly you can able to see this question on railway recruitment board, RRB exams, etc. right. In all the competitive exams you can able to see any one format. But remember one thing, the first question is find the sum 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to 15. Got it? And similarly the second question is find the sum 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ... to 15 terms. Just see, both the question there is a small difference. Here at the last plus 15. Got it? But here at the last 215 terms. This is most important. To solve this question the formula is different. To solve this question the formula is different. Where many students I have seen making a mistake that they use one formula to this question as well as they use the same formula to this question also. Remember one thing, it is till 15. Got it? It is till the number 15. But it is not till number 15, it is to the 15 terms. Got it? Up to 15 terms we need to find the sum of series. So if there is a word called 215 terms, got it? To some terms, right, 220 terms or 230 terms or 200 terms, you need to solve this question by AP formula, that is arithmetic progression formula, that is sum of n terms. The formula here is, I hope that you have heard this formula, so n by 2, so 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? It's very easy, right? Just we need to pick up all the values from the equation that is in the series. We need to substitute in the formula and you will get the answer. And the formula here is x square. So the value of x will be n plus 1 by 2. So this is the formula to solve this question. Remember one thing, the same set of formulas and different kinds of models. In this area I have taught you in lesson number 5. That is sum of series. Got it? Same number system topic in lesson number 5. I have taught you two important models. That is model number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, natural numbers, or else natural square numbers or natural cube numbers. As well as in model number 2, even numbers, odd numbers. I have taught you everything in lesson number 5 that is based upon this model. Understood or not? Right? So complete model I have taught you in lesson number 5. So now in this video what we are going to learn is, in case if the last term 15 terms or 200 terms, if the series is like in this pattern, so we have to solve the question by using a AP formula, that is arithmetic progression formula. Understood? So similarly a same type of question can also be in different sort of ways. Got it? Because many students are getting confused that where I should use this formula and where I should use that formula. Got it? That's the thing that we are going to learn here. Remember one thing, only they have given plus 15, we have to use this formula, right? If they have given a word 2, got it? 2. So 2 some terms, then we need to use a formula called arithmetic progression. So never forget that, right? So we can solve some of the exam question, previous year exam question that is based upon this model. So let me take this question and we can solve this question by AP formula. as well as I can solve it in a normal traditional method. Some of the students will always ask that without a formula can I solve this question? Yes, without a formula you can solve this question, but it might take some time. For example, from 1 it is to 15 terms. So it is easy to write all the numbers, and then adding is also easy. In case if they ask a same question up to 1 or 2 terms or else up to 200 terms, then you can't able to write all the 200 terms and you can't able to add the answer in a traditional method. That will take more time than solving by a formula method. Got it? So better use a formula, because only one formula that you are going to learn. So better learn that formula and apply all the values in the formula, find the answer. That is easy. But anyways, I can solve this question initially by a traditional method also, right? So traditional method is nothing but, just see, we have a term up to 15 terms, that is starting from 1. So you need to find the logic behind the series. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So they are going with the odd numbers. Got it? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. You should not stop 15, up to 15. Got it? It's up to 15 terms. That is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, till 15 terms. Got it? So 17, then 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. I think so we have written all the 15 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So I have written all the 15 terms starting from 1 in the given format. So finally we need to add all it, right? Add all the numbers. So if you add all the numbers, resultant will be 225. Sorry, actually I know the answer already, so I have written directly. Got it? So 1 to 29, the answer is 225. So this is called as the traditional method. In case if it is the last term is 99 terms, for example I am saying 299 terms, so you have to write the numbers right till 99 term. It is not possible in the exams. That's the reason I am saying do not use the traditional method here. Use the formula method. Formula is also very easy. So S of n is equal to n by 2. Got it? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Got it? If you write the formula 2 or 3 times, automatically you will by heart it. Remember one thing, S of n is nothing but sum of series till n terms. N terms means 15 terms. Got it? So the value of n will be 15. S of 15. Got it? So the value of n will be the last term, that is nth term, that is 15th term. So 15 by 2. So 2 into a. So a will be the starting number. So here what is the starting number here? 1. So a will be 1. So plus again n will be 15. See how easy it is. So the last value is d. So d is nothing but the difference. So take any two numbers and see the difference, right? First two numbers. So 1 and 3. What is the difference here? 2. So similarly you can take 3 and 5 difference 2, 5 and 7 difference 2. So according to the question the difference may vary. So always remember that take the first two terms and find the difference. So 1 and 3 the difference will be 2. The value of d will be 2. So just solve this equation, you will get the final answer. So 15 by 2, so this will be 2 here. 15 minus 1 will be 14. So 14 into 2 will be 28. Got it? So 28 plus 2 will be 30. So 15 by 2 into 30. So cancel it, 15. So 15 into 15 will be 225. Understood or not? In both the ways, we are getting the same answer. Got it? It's easy, right? It's just we are going to see what is the series and what is the nth term, that is 15, and what is the value of a. So a will be the starting number. So substitute the starting number, and d is called as a difference. So difference between the two numbers. So after substituting all the values here, so finally we will get the sum of series up to 15 terms. Understood? So that's the reason I'm saying don't use the traditional method, always go with the formula method for these types of questions. Got it? So that solving procedure may be very easy. So this will be the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. So find the sum of first 19 terms of the sequence 2, 7, 12, 17, and it goes on. Got it? So this is also a same pattern, but the question format is different. So they are asking in a sentence way, that is find the first 19 terms of the sequence. The meaning here is the series will be 2, 7, 12, 17. It goes on till how much number? 2, 19 terms. Got it? So we need to find what is the sum of the series. So remember that the question can be asked in a different ways, but you need to understand that logic, right? 19 terms, 20 terms, or up to 100 terms, always use that AP formula, arithmetic progression formula. Got it? So here, where the first term is 2, which means the value of a will be 2. So next will be the value of n. So the value of n will be up to how many terms? Up to 19 terms. So the value of n will be 19. And the next will be the difference. So difference will be the first two numbers. Take the two numbers, 2 and 7. What is the difference here? 5. So similarly, if you can check for the remaining numbers. 7 and 12. What is the difference? 5. 12 and 17, the difference is 5. So the value of D is called as a difference between the numbers. So difference will be 5. So now you know the values of all the terms A, N as well as D. So now substitute the value in the formula. So S of N, sum of N terms, up to sum of N terms. So here the value of N will be 19. Understood? So this is not needed. In some books you can able to see S of 19, S of 21. So the meaning here is sum of series, that is up to 19 terms. Got it? So n by 2, that is 19 by 2. So 2 into a. So a will be 2 here. So 2 into a plus n minus 1. So n minus 1, that is 19 minus 1 into d. So d will be 5. That's it. So 2 into 2 will be 4. So this will be, so 19 by 2. So 4. So 18 into 5. So 8 5s are 40. So remaining will be 4, that is 90. Got it? So 19 by 2. So into 94 is 90 plus 4 will be 94. So cancel it. 4 2s are 8. Remaining will be 1. That is 7 2s are 14. So 47 into 19. 9 7s are 63. So remaining will be 6. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7 will be 43. So 43 plus 6 will be 49. So remaining will be 4, that is 893. So final answer will be 893. So similarly, if you add and see in a traditional method, starting from 2 till 19 terms, if you add all the numbers, the resultant answer will be 893, the same. Got it? But that will be the long process. So this will be very short and easy to solve the question by a arithmetic progression. Got it? So remember one thing, the question can be asked in a different ways. Always you need to keep that in mind. Just look at the series, and if you have the last number plus something, if it is plus something, then use the logic what I have told you in lesson number 5. If it is not plus something, it is in the term of 19 terms or 100 terms, etc., then you should go with a concept called arithmetic progression. Again, I am saying in the arithmetic progression concepts, there are many concepts and there are many formulas, but I am not going to teach all that. I am just going to teach you only in the exam point of view. Exam point of view, so this is one of the important formula. So that's the reason I am teaching you only the important formula and important concept which is related to the exam point. Got it? So finally, answer for question number 2 will be 893. So here is the last third question. So take this as a homework question, right? And check whether you are getting the answer, that is 1380. So the similar concept, so it's one of the memory based questions. So what you need to do is, you need to find the sum of first 30 terms for the given sequence, right? The sequence is 17, 19, 21, etc. So starting from 17, then 19, 21, I think the difference is 2, right? D is 2, and the value of A is 17, because always the starting number will be value of A. So the value of A will be 17 and the D will be the difference, that is 2 is the difference, and N. So N will be up to 30 terms. So the value of N will be 30. Got it? So if you substitute in the formula, then the final answer will be 1380. So solve it and check whether you are getting the answers or not. Got it? So that's it about this video, right? So this is the lesson number 11 video that is related to n terms. So most important concept, because many students are still making a mistake in this region. So that's the reason we are making this as a separate video on number system topic, that is lesson number 11, n terms, which is called arithmetic progression formula. Got it? So always remember one thing, never forget it. Every time before going for the exams, you need to remember this. So if the series are in this way, for example 1 3 5 7 up to 15, or 1 3 5 7 up to 19 terms, so both are completely different. Understood? So this is up to only plus 15, but this is to 19 terms. You have to write all the numbers till 19 terms. Got it? So that's the difference. So this is the thing we have learnt in lesson number 5. So this is the thing what we learnt in this lesson number 11. Got it? So that's it about this video, right? So thank you so much for watching it. So as I know that many students will keep on asking that teach every concept in arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So I will teach that. Definitely that going to be a different lesson number 1, 2, 3 for arithmetic progression and geometric progression. I'm going to teach that. But before that you need to remember one thing. If you are preparing for CAT exams, got it, CAT, CAT, then you have to learn all the concepts in AP and GP. But if you are preparing for bank exams or railway, SSC or college student, campus first round aptitude session, and if you are learning for any government exams, right, other than CAT, etc. I'm not talking about that much tough level competitive exams. If you are preparing for other than the tough level competitive exams, mostly this one formula is enough to crack the question. So that's it about this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.